Hi folks, and welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. This week, I'm showing off the progress that I've made on the climbing controls over the last few weeks, so let's have a look at what I've been doing. Previously, there was nothing to stop you from climbing off the side of a cliff and continuously climbing in mid-air. So what I've been working on is performing some checks to be sure that there is still a surface for you to climb on when you're climbing up, say, the side of a cliffside. When you're climbing on a climbable surface, whichever direction that you are trying to climb in, it performs a check in that direction to see if there is still a climbable surface there for you to climb onto. And if it finds the surface, great, you'll just keep climbing in that direction. If it doesn't find anything, then you will stop climbing in that direction. So I've got this green line here that's just showing these checks actually happening. And it's a useful tool for me because then I can see where these checks are happening, when, and just to be sure that everything is being calculated the way it should be. I've also automated what should be happening whenever you reach the top or the bottom of a climbable surface. So when you reach the bottom, you're then grounded and essentially you hit the ground running. You just move in whatever direction that you were pointing in, essentially. And the same when you reach the top, you'll just start running in the last direction that you were sort of pushing in with your analog stick. Now, when I add in animations, this will be a lot better than just, you reach the top of the cliff and suddenly you're on the top and you're running away. But I will add animations in just to tie in the climbing to the start and running, so it's a bit smoother and it's obviously more natural. And the same when you reach the bottom as well, you'll have a little bit of an animation just coming off the wall and then starting to run again. And the same as well when you're starting to climb, it's not just suddenly, oh, I'm on the wall now. There'll be a, okay, I'm getting onto the wall now kind of thing. In terms of the control stuff, that is about it at the moment. I'm hoping to move on to the animation side of stuff now and adding that in much the same way as I did for the sort of locked on strafing movement. There'll be different movement depending on whichever way that you're pushing the analog stick or on the keyboard or whatever. It'll sort of lerp between different climb states, so you'll be able to see it sort of move between, say, climbing sideways or climbing diagonal. There'll be a sort of in between the two, so then you'll sort of see a kind of motion like this and it'll blend between them all, and the plan is it'll look really good. But I need to get the animations made first, so we'll see how that turns out. What do you think about this week's video? I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.